My name is Divine Davis once again, and today I'm going to teach you some 10 steps and idea that you can use to become a professional graphic designer. So these 10 steps will help you excel in your graphic designing. So the first thing is that you look at this artwork that I have here. If you look at it, you could see that everything is perfect. You get it. I got a lot of thumbs up on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and some other platform. Like the artwork is too perfect. It's perfect. So do you get it? So it's not like I'm praising myself, but good job pays a lot. Okay. So I'm gonna share my idea for everyone today. Uh, People normally people call me divinity, so people watching me in Ghana can meet me one on one. And then some people, I've been training some people in HTML and CSS graphic designing right here in my office at North Legon, Accra, Ghana. So you can drop or ask me, email me about my office location. Then those people have the opportunity to be in Ghana can have access to me one on one to learn all these things. So the first thing you have to think of, first idea is that you have to learn how to mix colors. So that is color combination. So your colors, choice of colors influence your design. The choice of colors that you use for the design influence it, either make it ugly or nice. Sorry for using that term. So but that is just by the way. Then the second one is the font you are using. Particular designs doesn't even deserve to be to be applied with a certain font. You get it. And the third point is that, are you doing that font a 3D font or not? 3D test or not? Sorry, 3D test or not? Are you getting it? So the fourth one is you have to know how to arrange your pictures on the artwork. So if you see this particular three people, Lewin, one of the comedian in Ghana. So if you look at these three people, you know, they have been grouped together. It's a team. It's a game between two teams. Sorry, it's a game between two teams, which is going to take place in this 2020, 3rd of January. Okay, at Chebi Kumasi. Those people in Ghana know. Okay, so it's there's a soccer entertainment fiesta party. They are going to play football. Two teams are playing football with the performing artists. Legendary Prior Titia is always there. Lewin is there, and some other stars. So you can mention them. So all the musicians and the stars, celebrities in Ghana will be there. Live at Chebi, 3rd of January. So that is just by the way. So the fifth point is that you need to work with transparent background. Okay, there are some background that you have to take off. Okay, before, because it helps you customize a color or a background for that particular picture or pictures. So if you look at these three people has been grouped. So I've linked them together because they are related. It's not like they are in one place. And this particular part two, I've grouped them with this one two being grouped. Okay. So that is the fifth step. The fifth step is work with a PNG image. If you look at this, all this, they are PNG. Sorry. Okay. All the logo to a PNG. You see? So that is just by the way. So the fourth point is that if you are doing 3D test, may I normally use the sixth point, right? If you are using 3D test effect, I normally do them in AI, Adobe AI, Illustrator. I do them here, so you can see I can change everything here. Just so if a professional designer always do this thing down just for a reason. So I normally do this if I'm free. If I'm free, I do this because of future design. Okay. Local. Okay. You can I can change it to anything I want. Okay. So that is just by the way, just teaching you. So the layers are already here. So okay, it's here. It takes a lot of layers to create these things, so a lot of time is involved in it. So if you have a free time that you can do this, just do them down, make them, let them be there, use them later on in future. If you are finding, if you look at my 3D test, you can request for one, you can call me, you can email me, you can private chat me, you can put down your request right inside the comment section. Oh, I want 3D test effect, can you email it to me or can you send it to me? And then free. So that is just by the way. So the seventh point is that your background, the kind of images that you use. If you look at this, it's a soccer thing, so you could say that I've used a stadium for the background, but I've manipulated the background small just to make it very catchy. And then, it shouldn't be too much pictures. There shouldn't be too much pictures at the background too. Okay. So if you look at everything, if you are not fast enough to determine the color you can use, some of the organizations have their customized color. Okay. And some too doesn't know. It's not always like you should stick to that, but if you are working for ADB, you shouldn't move away from their colors like green and white. Okay. If you are working for GT Bank, you shouldn't move away from orange and white. And then if you are working for, let's say, MTN, you shouldn't move away from yellow and white before any other color. Or Jumia, orange, black, white. Do you get it? But there are always a way to make thousand. Photoshop has thousand ways of doing a particular thing. If you want to take off image background, and I've done the tutorial, it's just the earlier video before this particular one, so just check, subscribe. Okay, subscribe and always comment frequently. And don't forget, those in Accra, those in Ghana can have access to me one-on-one based on HTML, CSS, web development, and graphic designing. So then we have the ninth point is that you need to know how to arrange these text colors and the text on your design. Sorry, you have to learn how to arrange them so that it won't make the artwork too busy. Okay. And then the 10th point is that you should always have a negative portion or part of your artwork, which will help to make the artwork very busy. If you see the surrounding, the edges of there are some space. If you see there is a space here, space, but it shouldn't be too much space. Okay, just a little bit small spaces, just to make the whole artwork very nice. So don't forget to subscribe and like, and thanks for watching my video. Once again, I'm Divine Davis. You can call me Divinity. Normally people call me Divinity. I'm the CEO of Divinity Graphics in North Legon. So just send in your messages, leave your comment below the section, okay, so that we can work together.